Are you a chiropractor trying to grow your patient base online? You are not alone. But when it comes to digital marketing, one big question always comes up. Should you focus on SEO to get ranked organically on Google or pay for ads to show up instantly at the top? In this guide, we will break it all down, the pros, the cons, the cost, and the results, so you can choose a strategy that writes for your clinic. This video is brought to you by Gulfam Kamar, founder of Optimize Karo, a digital marketing agency built specifically for chiropractors. Gulfam has helped dozens of practices attract more local patients through customized SEO and paid ad strategies. He understands the unique needs of chiropractic clinic and what it takes to stand out in your local marketing. Let's start with the visibility. SEO gets you organic listings on Google. That means your website appears in search results without paying for every click. Paid ads, on the other hand, like Google Ads or Meta Ads, Facebook or Instagram, show up in the sponsored section of each results or social media feeds you are paying to be seen. Now, next up, cost. SEO usually costs you times and effort. Maybe some tools or an SEO expert, but you are not paying for each visitor. With paid ads, you pay per click or impression. Every time someone sees or click your ad, you are charged. The more competitive your niche, the more it can cost. Now let's talk about how fast you get results. SEO is a long game. It can take 3 to 6 months to see serious traffic. But with paid ads, you launch a campaign and boom, you start getting traffic almost immediately. What about how long results last? SEO is a long term. Even if you stop working on it, your content can still bring it traffic. Paid ads, not so much. The moment you pass your ad budget, the traffic disappears. Finally, let's look at the control. With SEO, you don't control where your content ranks. Google algorithms does. You can optimize, but results are not guaranteed. Paid ads give you total control. You decide who sees your ad, where, when, and how much you spend. Let's talk about one of the most important questions every business asks. How fast will I see results? Actually, when it comes to SEO, based on my own experience, it usually takes around 3 to 6 months to start seeing meaningful results. That's because SEO takes time. Google has to crawl your site, evaluate your content, and build trust over time. Now compare that to paid ads like Google Ads or Meta Ads. You can see results in as little as 1 to 7 days according to platform benchmark, and even sooner depending on how well your campaigns are set up. SEO gives you low control over how fast things move. You are at the mercy of Google's algorithm. But with paid ads, you have got a full control. You set the budget, choose your audience, and your ads go live when you are ready. If you are looking to generate immediate leads or sales, then SEO might not be the best fit. At least not at first. Paid ads are perfect for that. They are fast, direct, and designed for conversions. If your goal is to drive leads or sales in the next 30 to 60 days, paid ads are your best starting point. You will get faster data, quicker feedback, and the chance to test and tweak things on the fly. Start with the setup cost. For SEO, the initial investment is pretty high. You will need to pay for website optimization, high quality content, backlinks, and maybe hire an SEO expert or agency. So, yeah, there's a lot of upfront effort and expense here. Now, for paid ads, the setup cost is usually lower. You will still need ad creatives, landing page of chiropractor, and maybe some platform setup fees, but overall it's less expensive upfront compared to SEO. Now let's talk about monthly ongoing cost. With SEO, if you hire an agency or build an in-house team, expect to spend around 20,000 to 50,000 per month. Paid ads, on the other hand, give you more control over your daily budget. You can start small, say 500 INR per day, and scale up to 5,000 or more depending on your goals, niche, and competition. The best part, you are in change, you can pause or adjust the budget anytime. Now here's where it gets interesting, cost per lead. For both SEO and ads, the cost per lead depends on your niche. Some industries are super competitive, which drives up the price. Others might give you cheaper leads. But remember, SEO leads may be free after you rank, while leads cost money every time, no matter how many you got. If you have time and budget for long term growth, invest in SEO. If you need quick results and want to control your spending, paid ads are the way to go. Better yet, use both strategies. Build your brand organically and amplify it with targeted ads. Alright, let's talk real. What are the actual pros and cons of SEO and paid ads? Because every strategy has its strength and its weak spots, so let's break it down. Starting with SEO. Here, what great about it? First, it compounds over time. Once your content ranks, it keeps bringing in traffic day after day. Second, users trust organic results more than ads. That means higher click through rate and better brand perception. Third, there's no cost per click. Unlike ads, you are not paying for every single visit. And lastly, it really helps build brand credibility. Showing up consistency on page 1 makes your brand look solid. But it's not all sunshine and free traffic. SEO take times and usually 3 to 6 months before you see meaningful results. You also have no control over Google's algorithms changes. One update can shift everything, and it's not a set it and forget it game. You need to consistently create content, build backlinks, and keep improving your site. Now let's talk about paid ads, whether it's Google or Meta. The biggest win, instant traffic and leads. Start a campaign today and boom, you are live. You can also hyper target your audience by age, location, interest, even keywords super powerful. It's also easy to scale, just increase the budget and reach more people. Plus you have full control over your ad spend, audience and performance. Now, the flip side, paid ads can get really expensive, especially if you don't manage them properly. And the moment you stop spending, the leads completely stop. No money, no traffic. Also, your ads can hit what's called ad fatigue. People start ignoring them, and you will need to keep refreshing your creatives to stay effective. If you want long term growth and brand building, SEO is the marathon worth running. If you need quick results and control, paid ads are the sprint that gets you moving fast. And honestly, the best strategy is combining both. Let SEO work in the background while ads drive immediate momentum. Let's compare SEO and ads based on real business needs. This will help you make smarter decisions for where your money and time should go. Scenario 1. You have time to build authority. Go for SEO. It's perfect for slow, steady growth that builds long-term trust. Scenario 2. You need instant leads or sales. Ads win here, especially platforms like Google for high intent search traffic or Meta for mass reach and brand awareness. Scenario 3. Your marketing budget is limited. SEO gives better long term ROI if you are a patient. But ads let you test fast with the small daily budget, even 500 can get you data. Scenario 4. You want to scale fast and predictably. Paid ads give you full control. You can increase budget and reach instantly. Scenario 5. You want to reduce customer acquisition cost over time. SEO shines here. Once your page is ranked, you are not paying per click. And now come to my personal strategy for business owners. Now let me share my go-to strategy if you are just starting out. Step 1 is to start with paid ads. Google ads are great for people who are ready to buy, and Meta ads are perfect to build awareness and drive traffic at sale. Step 2. At the same time, start building your SEO foundation. Write optimized blog posts, build backlinks, and work on ranking pages for your core keywords. Step 3 is to use data from your ads. Check which keywords, offer, and messages are converting well. Then use that data to create your SEO content strategy. This saves time, money, and gives you a proven content idea. Step 4 is to track performance closely. Measure cost per lead and conversion rate from both channels. This will let you where the best ROI is coming from. Step 5 is to be patient with SEO. It takes 6 to 12 months to see real traction, but the payoff is worth it. As a bonus tip, use SEO for long tail and informational keywords. These are easier to rank and build trust. Use ads for high intent commercial keywords where people are ready to buy now. If you are a chiropractor ready to grow, book a free strategy session with Optimize Karo. We will create a custom plan using SEO and ads to help you attract more local patients and scale your practice. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, please like the video, subscribe and leave a comment below. Are you using SEO, ads or both? Let us know what's working for you.